So if you believe, I will discuss later on the 10-year master plan with you. If you believe that there are suitable projects, particularly yung mga dams, already in areas like Agusan, for example, na excessive ang rain, ang net effect natin dito is really not on irrigation facilities but on flood control facilities. So if that is the case, you submit immediately your proposals to my office, and then we will discuss it with DPWH. We'll be signing a memorandum of agreement with them on this party. But we have been talking the last 2 months. In fact, they have considered 3 big projects already of NEA for 2015 implementation. There are so many proposed MOAs which I hope in the next 2 weeks will be signed. One is DPWH, another is the Department of Energy for the hydropower project. Another is the Philippine Coconut Authority, because we would like to promote really the coconut na panggamit natin sa mga what do you call it? Mga soil erosion control. We use coconut tapos saka natin taniman. This will stabilize the soil. And then with DN, our own water resources, which leads me to my next topic, which is yung 10-year master plan natin. We'll be hiring, within the next 30 days, we'll be hiring a consultant who will be helping each and every one of you prepare a 10-year master plan. The objective of this 10-year master plan is to identify what projects will be implemented in the next 10 years and solve the irrigation problem. We want to cover all areas that ought to be covered only in 10 years time, not 20 years, not 15 years. So we will have an exercise. We will have another meeting the moment that the consultants are hired. We will be developing, who will be developing mga parameters, planning parameters. I would like to request each and every one of you to be helping the consultants, kasi this is just a 6-month exercise for them. It will be almost impossible for a consulting group to do the work that I want to be done. Why? Because one, we'll be updating our database. On our way nga dito, if you notice, ang dami ng mga real estate, yung mga dating palayan, na ngayon panay subdivision na, or commercial, or whatever. So, ang laki ang adjustment that we'll be doing in updating our database. After updating our database, next step will be to prepare our 10-year master plan. Kung mag 10-year master plan tayo, we'll be solving perhaps 70% or 80% of our political problems.